Follow these steps to add a new product to the library. Log into the OPS app and go to the Products page. Before adding a product to your My Products section, make sure the product doesn't already exist in the platform catalog database. The product may already exist for you to add to the planogram. Use this search function to look for your product. If your new item does not exist in the platform catalog or your My Products section, then select Create New Product. Scan the new product's barcode. Fill out the product information here. The next step is pricing. Enter the price you want to sell the item for and the amount you paid for it. Next, you will take pictures so the AI can identify the product. Review the information and then create the product. Next, you will need to model the product at the machine. The app will walk you through taking the product in and out of the cooler, which will train the AI. For best results, make sure the cooler is empty. Click Start Product Modeling if you are at the cooler ready to train the AI. For data collection, you will need the following: one machine powered on and connected. This needs to be a Spectra machine, but it doesn't have to be the one that you will be placing the product in to sell. You will need 2 of the same product. The complete data collection process should take 5 to 10 minutes. You'll need a stable network connection and the machine to stay powered on until the data collection is complete. Next, you need to enter the machine's serial number so the system knows what machine you are using. An easy way to do this at the machine is to enter the service menu by tapping on the upper left-hand corner of the screen 7 to 10 times until the screen appears for you to enter the password 3944. On the basic info screen, you can scan the machine QR code so the system knows what cooler you are using. Next, tap Start Checking. The system will check the network and open the door to the cooler. Follow the instructions on the OPS app. When you're ready, tap Start Data Collection. Begin by holding one product and removing it in and out from the shelf at 3 different points on each shelf. Make sure to remove the product from inside the selection within the allotted time for data collection. Once the data collection in Phase 1 is complete, tap Continue to Phase 2. Begin single-hand multi-item data collection. Repeat the steps from Phase 1, except you will need 2 individual products to model. Once the data collection in Phase 2 is complete, you can close the door. Allow 24 to 48 hours for the system to review the new product data. Once the product data is in the system, you can add it to your machine in the OPS or the planogram in the VMS.